Next, let's proceed with this question. So now let's utilize the acute angle that we usually use: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. So let's find the match until we get 15 degree. So obviously we can minus 60 with 45 degree. So let's do that. This will be tangent 60 degree minus 45 degree. So obviously this is tangent A minus B. Therefore, let's utilize formula number 6. So now let's expand this. So you will have tangent A minus tangent B over 1 plus tangent A tangent B. So after you have insert the formula inside, so now let us just use calculator to find out the value. So tangent 60 degree is set 3 minus tangent 45 is 1 over 1 plus, again 63 multiply with 1. So let's simplify. You'll get set 3 minus 1 over 1 plus set 3. Up until here, you can rationalize your denominator to get rid of the root in your denominator. So obviously, you need to multiply conjugate. Conjugate for 1 plus set 3 is 1 minus set 3. So multiply both of the conjugate in numerator and also denominator. So simplify that. Finally, your answer will be 2 minus set 3. Next, let us utilize the sum and difference formula to find sine pi over 12. Okay, so pi over 12, let's play around with pi over 12. We can express it as 3 pi over 12 minus 2 pi over 12. Okay, now let's further simplify the angle here. Therefore, you have sine pi over 4 minus pi over 6. So this is the acute angle that we usually use in our calculation. So now let's utilize formula 2, which is sine of difference formula. So this will become sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So after we've reached this stage, the next stage is just to find out the exact value of each of them. So just use your calculator until you get your answer, set 6 minus set 2 over 4. Therefore, this is your final answer. So let me remind you again, if the question is in radian, make sure all of the calculation inside will also be in radian.